Welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. Hey, if not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be reviewing this unit I have on, as well as showing you guys how to install it. If you're interested in this video, please continue to watch. But first, I need you to hit the subscribe button. I post videos every week, and I promise you don't want to miss anything. Make sure you follow me on all my socials as well. I will have all the details listed in the description box. Now, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so today I am back with another wig review, and today this is going to be a human hair wig review. This is going to be from Love Me. Of course, if you've been following my channel, you know I've reviewed a few Love Me wigs before. This time this is a bob, and sis, it's perfect for the summer. Like, because what do we wear during the summer? We wear bobs. You know, it's too hot to... Only time I want to wear a 26-inch anything is if I'm on the beach. If I'm not on the beach, baby, everyday life, I need a bob. So that's what we going for today. So let me give y'all the details on her before I get started showing you what I received in the package. So this is a C-part glueless wig. I got her for, or she's on the website for approximately 150 bucks. If you use my discount code PaletteT, you can get 20% off your purchase. I'll make sure I have that in the description box for you guys if y'all are interested in this wig. But this is what it looks like on the okay, so I'm clicking too much stuff. But anyways, it comes with like a little blonde highlight on the side, and it is already pre-parted as well. So this is a left side part, so if you're a right part girl, you might not like this one. It's not versatile. This is a C part, and it is for the left side. I am a left side girl, so I was so excited when I saw this, and I was like, yeah, I gotta go ahead and get this. So oh, I didn't tell y'all the inch. Look, I'm so excited to try it that shoot, I'm leaving out the details. Okay, so it is 10 inches, and you do have the choice to have them pre-cut the lace for you or not. All right, that's all I was leaving off. So she came with a user guide, a cute little bag to place her in, to store her in, an edge control brush because we can never have enough of those, a wig grip band, some wig caps, a cute little clip that says Love Me, and then Love Me VIP rewards. This is your membership guide. So also some labels if you want to label your wigs. But that's what came in here, how you can earn points, how you become a member, you know, different things like that. Let's get into the star of the show. Okay, so this is what good sis is looking like. Y'all, the hair is so soft. It does have the one blonde streak on the side that goes all the way to the back. Well, it's down to the side, I believe. It's not, you know, full underlay, but just the one side. It is a part like we talked about, so there's a parting space there. It already comes pre-parted. There is a comb right here on this side, a comb on the other side, and then there's the comb in the nape area. But you have your band that you can tighten to wear this glueless. So of course I have already cut the lace off, but we're going to get into what she looks like straight out of the package, and then I will be back. Okay, y'all, so first impressions, sis is really soft. Like, I ain't got any tangling. The hair is really silky, a really silky texture. I hadn't flat ironed it. It already came bumped like this as well, so I like that. And then look how flat that parting space is. It came colored like this already too. I have not put any foundation or anything on it, and I don't think I will. I think maybe once I lay her on my actual head, I may put something on the part if I need to. But look how that just blends in with my skin. Like, that looks so scalp like. Okay, Love Me has definitely stepped their wig game up since I started reviewing their wigs. I've probably been working with Love Me for a couple of years now. In my first couple of wigs, you know, they wasn't all that, but they were good. You know, they've always had good quality. This is great quality. This is, you know, they done stepped that game up. So right now I'm just tightening up the adjustable strap so that I can make sure the wig fits snugly on my head and that it's not slipping and sliding. Because you know what, another thing is with wearing these glueless wigs, it's windy outside and you don't want your wig to slip off, slide off, fall off, whatever. You know, you want it to be secure. So gotta make sure that band tight. Because let me tell y'all this, years ago, it's been a while, years ago, I actually had an incident where one of my headband wigs fell off while I was out in public. And so I'm telling y'all girlies now, you do not want to experience that. So I'm gonna get my mirror together so I can see what I'm doing here. My hair is in 4 plaits. So if the wig is not laying down, it's not actually the wig fault, it's my fault because I was too lazy to go in and put my hair in 2 braids. Okay, so far it's definitely big head friendly. I can appreciate that, especially since my braids are, or my hair is in plaits. So that gives me some space. Fits snugly across my ears. It is ear to ear, so you can see ear to ear. Very flat. Very, very flat. I think I want to cut some more lace off right here, but look how that lace blends in with my skin. Like, just melted into my skin. Okay, Love Me, y'all done showed out with this wig right here. I mean, just lay it. You can't even tell. You cannot even tell. You really don't even have to cut anything right there if you don't want to. I'm gonna cut just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bitty snippet. But I want to keep that right there because I want to swoop that around a little bit. I want to keep the natural look. And honestly, I don't have to add anything to the parting space either if I don't want to. Because the part looks very nice as well. Now, I'm going to add a little foundation to it most likely. Or a little concealer just to make it blend in a little bit more. But I actually love this. I'm going to throw a little, what is this? Edge Booster foam mousse on it for my little flyaway hairs that I have at the top up here. Just to make them lay down. Just to make it lay down a little bit more. And then if you wanted to, you could swoop your little baby hair right there. Or you could actually use your own baby hair. This wig is more like a closure. So it's not a 13x4. I didn't get it as a 13x4. It's more of a closure wig. So it's, I can't remember what the lace was. But it's from like here to about here. So maybe like a 5x5 or a little bit bigger. So it's not a lace to lace. So if you wanted to, like I said, you could go in and make your own baby hairs. Or you could use your own hair as baby hair. But this wig is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. Like, absolutely gorgeous. I think I want to do the little tuck behind the ear thing. You know, you pull that little piece behind the ear. And then you let the rest fall down. Look at that. That is gorgeous. And then you just let the rest fall over. Just like that. We got a whole little style going. Now, I like for the blonde to actually be showing. And I love that this is Glueless. Because, let me tell y'all what. In this heat, I haven't really been feeling like laying no lace down. I just haven't because it's, you know, it's hot. I live in the South. If y'all didn't know that. I live in the South. So, it gets a little warm down here. And while my even spray and my other little sprays, they keep my wig secure, I have to touch it up a lot, and I don't like that because I prefer not to use any glue on my actual hair because I want to keep my edges, so I prefer not to use any glue. But I always run into issues of having to touch up a lot, and I don't like having to touch up a lot. I really just like having to just get up and go. So having a glueless option, especially when it's scorching outside, having a glueless option I can get when I get in the car, when I get off work, just pull that sucker off and come home. It's perfect for me. Absolutely perfect for me. So I love this wig. Like I said, I'm probably gonna, I really don't even feel like I need to touch up the part, but I am gonna add just a little bit of concealer to it just because I feel like being a little extra. You know, y'all know I get like that sometimes. Not all the time, but I have my moments where I like to be a little extra. So I'm going to add just a touch of concealer. It's going to be this RL Filter Finish Soft Matte Concealer in the color C13. And like I said, it's really just going to be a dab, honestly. I really don't need much. So I'm trying to look and see if I got a flatter brush I can use. I think I do. Try this one. And if you like me, you're not really a hairstylist, so this C-part business is not something you know how to do, baby. Just getting it pre-styled is perfect. Because let me tell y'all what, I am not a hairstylist. I initially got into wigs because, let's be real, going to get your hair done is expensive, and your girl be on a budget. So that's why everything on my channel is budget friendly, because I had a hard time finding cheaper or budget friendly options. I really don't like to use the word cheap or broke. I don't use those words in my everyday life. So I like to find affordable and budget friendly things. And at the time, I really had a hard time finding things like that. So especially when it came to getting my hair done. So I was like, you know what? I don't have $200 to go and pay somebody to do my hair. Like, I want to learn how to do it myself. So I enrolled into YouTube University. And I started learning how to do wigs myself. And so I choose to continue to bring you guys budget-friendly, affordable things. Because let's be real, the economy is crazy right now. And I don't know if y'all balling or not, but let me tell you what, I am not. I am still on a budget. I live by a budget. So having affordable options is great. So you got this unit, this perfect, almost like a swinging bob if you ask me. That's 150 bucks. If you use my discount code Palette T, you'll get 20% off. So guess what, it won't even be 150 bucks. It'll be cheaper than that. But I would say go out and get it. Like, this wig is perfect for the summer. It's gonna be perfect for brunch. I can't wait. I have some events or some trips planned with some of my friends. I'm definitely gonna pack this one because this is something just simple that I can wear. Honestly, you could throw a little curl there if you wanted to, or you could wear it straight like I have it right now. It's kind of up to you how you want to do it. I do love this blonde highlight that's in the front here. And like I said, it comes back behind the ear a little bit, so you do have that. And then again, this is like a closure. So it's not actually tab to tab, you know, it wasn't laced to cut off the whole wig, so I can appreciate that as well. And I love how pre-styled this is. And to me, I don't know about y'all, but it also looks like it's pre-plucked as well. I didn't have to go in and pluck anything. All I literally did was cut the lace off and came back and showed y'all what it looked like. So Would I recommend this wig? Yes, I would. I give her a 10 out of 10. Like, I do not have any complaints about this wig whatsoever. It is absolutely gorgeous, and it is perfect for the summer, perfect for bob season. Like, y'all, get into it. Go ahead and get it. I haven't had to flat iron. I haven't had to do anything. Like, if anything, I'll go in and probably bump it just a little bit just because I like a little curl. But for the sake of this video, I didn't do all of that because I wanted you guys to see what you were getting. That's another thing I try to pride myself on, is making sure I give you guys good quality content where you know what you're getting. Like, I don't know about anybody else, but I have, you know, followed certain people and went and purchased something and it looked totally different when I got it. And I'm like, oh my God, what am I supposed to do with this? I don't know how to do this. Whatever the case may be. So I want you guys to know exactly what you're getting, and I want you to know exactly what to expect. So that's what I like to bring, type of content I like to bring. If you like that type of content, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting for? I post videos every week, and I promise you don't want to miss anything. If you guys watch this video incomplete, drop a heart in the comments. Let me know if you like this or not. Thank you guys for always watching my videos, for rocking with me. I'm gonna bring some really good content this summer. I'm back on my game. I'm back. I had to take a little bit of time off, but I am back, and I have some heat coming for you guys. So I hope you guys are subscribed, and if you're not, please do, and turn on the notification bell so you'll know whenever I drop videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in my next one. Peace.